Okay, taking it apart. There's the new one. Haven't got into it yet. It's underneath this thing right here. I got to take the meter apart. I'll actually take the PC board off the back of the meter. Thanks for the lunch money, by the way. Alright, more to come. Okay, I got the meter PC board out. Like I said, it's behind this little guy right here. And there's where the pins come through the back side of the board there. So I got to get that shield off, which I think I just need to unsolder those two tabs right there. Okay, be right back. Okay. This one looks a little bit different. It is different. EPT 91 1312, and this is a 1302. Damn. Hang on a second. Okay, I broke that bottom piece off of there, but see the way that diode's turned? If you look underneath the diode on yours, the resistor underneath it is missing. And it looks like it's a different design. You notice there's a place for a resistor right next to the right of the chip. Son of a bitch. I think I'm going to try it. And just see if it works. If it works and resolves the problem, then we don't have a problem. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't resolve the problem, then I'm going to have to go back to them and get another one. You can see right there, it says EPT 91 version 1302. If you look at the one on yours, it's EPT 91 version 13. It's either 1317 or 1312. That kind of looks like 1317. Or maybe that's 130 Zulu. And that's 131 Zulu. Either way, they're not the same board. But to save time, I'm going to see if this one will work. If not, like I said, I'll have to get another one. Okay, more to come. Okay, I got it in there. As you can tell, it's quiet as a church mouse. That one worked better than the one that came in the radio. So you don't hear anything. I don't hear any whine on receive. And when I talk on transmit, hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio test audio. Nothing. Let's see, turn the power up a little bit so my B&K won't click. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio testing audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Let's see, you had it on AM on channel 36. And with the volume turned all the way down, nothing. Alright, let's see. Let me change this one to 36. And get on AM. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Test. 1, 2, 1, 2, test. Audio testing, testing audio. You know what? I think my speaker's on the top of this. All this shit on top of it. Yeah, look at there. Audio test, test audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Test, test, audio test. Testing, audio testing, testing audio. Audio test, 1, 2, test, test audio. Sideband. Turn the mic gain back up now, maybe. Now let's try that again on AM with the mic gain up. Audio test, test audio. Come on now, don't feedback. I just got the microphone keyed. I'm not hearing it in transmit anymore. Okay. And the thing is on. There you go. You can see it now. You don't hear anything. So we're in good shape. Oh, hang on a second. Okay, Lee. I need to put it all back together. I got to put the screws and everything in it. I'll check it again once I get it all put back together, but I'm sure we're fine, because when I had it at this stage earlier, I could hear the high-pitched whine coming out of it, and I don't hear it now. So I think we're in good shape. All right, more to come. Okay, got it all back together, Lee. As you can hear, let me turn the volume down. Nothing. Don't hear any whine at all. Something they did with that later model board causes these things to hum. It's not doing it now. Let's turn this up so that you can hear me on transmit. Nothing. Don't hear it at all. So we're good to go. I'm gonna leave you set on 36. Better turn your power back up. You're gonna have to readjust everything, you know, like you had it, because I've been fiddling. I took all the knobs off, and you can see your felt washers are in there behind your switches. Okay, let me move this guy here back to channel 38. See if my buds are on there yet. Anyway, there we go. Okay, high cut's off. High cut's on now. Here, put it on sideband and do that. Nothing. It's a wonderful thing. All right, Lee, I'm gonna get her boxed up and shipped back to you, buddy. Sorry you had the problem. 7-3.